Hello everybody, I'm here with Roy Morgan, who is the lead advocacy trainer at Kaplan Altior. Roy, thank you so much for taking time out to talk to regulation matters today. Could you tell us, Roy, a little bit about your background?
Yes, sure. I'm a solicitor, advocate, I have high rights of audience, and I ran my own practice for best part of 25 years in Cardiff, Swansea and across South Wales. And throughout that time as well I freelanced for Kaplan Altior, conducting various courses for them, in particular advocacy courses, and I now have a more permanent position with Kaplan Altior, still doing a significant amount of training, but also able to do such court work as I can fit around that.
Okay, busy then.
It's busy.
Just a bit.
Yep.
So you talked about doing advocacy courses broader than the CILEx advocacy course. What would you say about the CILEx criminal advocacy course? What does it offer to delegates?
Well, I think the delegates that we've had on the course this week are very typical for those who look to do this course. They all have a wealth of experience of working in police stations, advising clients on their criminal matters in police stations, and also preparing cases for them to appear in the Magistrates Court and the Crown Court. The only thing they can't do is to stand on their feet and conduct those cases. And what this course does is to give them experience of being on their feet, making those sort of applications, conducting trials, and if we get them through the assessment process and they acquire the qualification, they can then do it for real.
So part of the course this week then has included a mock trial, has it?
It's included the sort of applications they would make on their first day in court. It's included cross-examination of witnesses that they would be doing in trial. It's included closing speeches and various aspects of criminal work.
Okay, great. And thinking about the type of person that this course would appeal to, what would you say? What kind of person would it appeal to?
I think it appeals to those lawyers who care for their clients, who care for their own careers. In caring for the clients, as I've said, they spend a lot of time in police stations working with them. They spend a lot of time with them preparing their cases for trial. And very often they're confronted with an awkward conversation when the client says, well, why can't you represent me in court? I trust you, you spend time with me, etc. I'd like you to do it. And they've had to say, well, I can't. Once they have this qualification, of course, they can. So for the client, it gives continuity and it gives trust to the client, I think. As far as the practice is concerned, for firms, it's a good business development. They're keeping the work in-house with people who perhaps have been in those firms for many years, and now they can go to court and do the work.
Okay, so some great reasons there as to why you should
really positive.
register on the course. Okay,
Yeah.
Roy, thank you very much for your time.
Pleasure.
Thank you.